All right, altcoin of the day, we're looking at FETCH.AI, FET. So looking at this chart, this is the weekly overlook. We have the Gaussian channel overlaid here and just the price action. So assuming the local top is in, right, we have a Fibonacci retracement at the 382. That'd be kind of my primary target to the low side. We've already broken through the 236. So the next target is roughly, 45 cents to 50 cents or so because, right, if we zoom in here, it's this zone. Why the zone? I'm glad you asked. Previous peak back in March of 22, new resistance again in February of 2023, and fast forward to February of 2024, and yet you want to, revisit previous resistance flipping to support, right? That's called a throwback, a breakout, a move back to retest. That breakout level is a bullish retest and also known as a throwback. So that is the level. So based on the fib, based on this zone, right? So anywhere between 45 to 50 cents is probably going to be a good time to reaccumulate more. Or if you miss this whole move, get your initial move, get your initial stack going. So that is what we're looking for Fetch on the, for the outlook, right? For the weeks ahead. Now, how about for the months or even possible years ahead? What the potential price could we hit? Well, this is a Fibonacci retracement, so we need to, it's the same thing. You just got to go on an extension. And, I'd like to use magnet mode for this. If you're familiar with TradingView at all, maybe you know magnet mode. If not, right, it's on the bottom left of your TradingView. I know you can't see it on my screen, but magnet mode, and you also see you can just hold down control. So get your Fibonacci tool, right? That's up there, right on the left. And then you hold down control or just click magnet mode. Right, and then why is that important? Because you want precise measurements from Wix here for Fibonacci. You also want to make sure your Fibonacci is set for logarithmic, right? You want your charts on log scale, right? That's the best way to do it. It gets the most data. So then you go way down here, holding down your control button, and it snaps right to the swing low, right? So you swing high to swing low for fib extension, and you can see this, right? So you want to look for this in, as we start the bull run. Right, this is a good spot to start for predictions. People that are exclaiming obscenely higher prices than the 1618 just are trying to get your clicks or trying to sell you something and nothing more, right? So based on the fib, right, 1618 is usually a good target for whatever coin you're looking at, given the fact that we've just starting a bull run. So 830 is the 1618. And you might say, well, that's not too much. Well, it's pretty significant, right? Even from current prices, roughly, right? And you can do this as well by holding down the shift key and then, moving your thing up, moving your cursor, right? So we're looking at, 1400%. And you're like, wow, that's not enough. 15x isn't enough, really, right? That's pretty good. From current prices, assuming we go down more, we might be 16, 17x, right? Maybe you're saying that's not possible. Well, of course it is. Go look at any previous bull run, right? 1,500% is like nothing, right? And that's not from the lows. Well, how about from the lows? Is that too much from the lows to ask for? Well, let's go up and look, right? 15,000%. Now that's a hell of a move. Many coins did that last cycle. Many coins, right? 15,000% is still doable. Market cap, still doable. So $8, right? You could still get a nice 10, 15x out of here, right? Based on the fib scale, not just me pulling numbers out of a hat. All right, so that's that. Hopefully you learned something new. If you're new here, let me know that you're new. If you want more altcoin videos like this, let me know that as well, right? I can only make the videos if you want to see them. Chainlink videos tend to do best, so I focus on those. If you want more stuff like this, you got to let me know it, right? I'm happy to do anything as long as someone's willing to watch and I can help someone. That's why I created this channel, is to fight all the noise and the moon boys and, combat that and use data, right? With a mild twist of neon and enthusiasm and spectacular facial features, hats, and of course, car collection. So speaking of that, let's get to our car of the day. Tesla Model Y, they're now the #1 selling car in America, might be the world. I have to double check on that, but I know for a fact that this last month was the #1 selling car, period, gas or electric, in the entire United States. Pretty amazing. So quote of the day, expect problems and eat them for breakfast, right? You got to anticipate it and put it to the side. Nothing is good or bad in your life, but your thinking makes it so. Change your mind, change your life. All right. I'll see you on the next one.